General points. Chemical reactivity. Allotropy of carbon. Oxides of carbon. Silica. Silicones. Silicates. Hint, men see. Melting points. Carbon is greater than tin. Ionization energy. Carbon is greater than tin. Electronegativity. Carbon is greater than lead. Boiling points. Carbon is greater than lead. Oxidation states carbon plus 4 up to tin plus 4. Lead is plus 2 due to inert pair effect. Pb plus 4 acts as oxidizing agent whereas Sn plus 2 reducing agent. With water, tin reacts with water. Tin when reacts with water it gives stannic oxide. Lead does not affected by water due to oxide layer, hydrides. Thermal stability is more for CH4 than PbH4. Boiling points is more for CH4 than PbH4. Chemical reactivity. Halides. CCl4 does not hydrolyze due to lack of orbitals. Silicon tetrachloride gives silicic acid. Silicon tetrachloride does not form silicic hexachloride due to small size of silicon. Lead tetraiodide does not exist. Initially, lead iodide does not release energy to unpaired 6s2. Metal tetrahalide are strong Lewis acids except carbon. Silicon hexafluoride can exist but silicon hexachloride does not due to small size of fluorine. Allotropy of carbon. Diamond. Density 3.51 grams per cc. Melting point 3900 degrees Celsius. Refractive index 2.45. Heat of formation for diamond 1.9 kilojoules per mole. For graphite. Density 2.2 grams per cc. Melting point 3500 degrees Celsius. Bond length 3.35 angstroms. Heat of formation is 0. Fluorescence. Purest form of carbon. C60 contains 26 membered rings and 12 5-membered rings. C70 contains 25 6-membered rings and 12 5-membered rings. Heat of formation of fluorescence for C60 is 38.1 kilojoules per mole. Purest form of coal is anthracite, 91% pure. Oxides of carbon. Carbon monoxide. Formic acid when reacts with sulfuric acid gives carbon monoxide at 373 Kelvin. Water gas or synthesis gas. Carbon when it reacts with water, steam, it gives carbon monoxide at 1000 degrees Celsius. Carbon monoxide is a powerful reducing agent. It reduces metal oxides to metal. Oxides of carbon. Properties of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide when reacts with oxyhemoglobin it gives carboxyhemoglobin which is 300 times more stable. Carbon monoxide when reacts with chlorine it gives phosgene. Carbon monoxide when reacts with metals, they form carbonyls. Carbon monoxide with sodium hydroxide gives sodium formate. Carbonyls are formed due to presence of lone pair on carbon. Oxides of carbon. Properties of CO2. With water forms carbonic acid. Carbonic acid and bicarbonate buffer system helps to maintain pH of blood between 7.26 to 7.42. Solid CO2 is called as dry ice or dry cold or cold ice. CO bond length in carbon dioxide is 115 picometers. Silica. Crystalline form of silica is known as quartz. Preparation. Silicon tetrafluoride gives silicic acid. That is, on heating at 1000 degrees Celsius, it gives silica. Properties. Silica is insoluble in all acids except hydrofluoric acid. So SiO2 plus HF gives silicon tetrafluoride. Silica with base and salts. Silica when reacts with base, it gives sodium silicate. Silica when reacts with sodium carbonate, it gives sodium silicate. Uses. Quartz is used as a piezoelectric substance. Silica gel is used as a drying agent. Kieselguhr, an amorphous form of silica, is used in filtration. Siliceous rock composed of minute sea organisms is called Kieselguhr. Silicones. On hydrolysis, silanes gives cross-linked silicones. Silicones contains R2SiO repeating units. The length of the silicones can be controlled by adding trimethyl silanes, which blocks the end structure. Silicones. The linear silicones have R2SiO. Sheets contain Si2O5 taken N2 minus. Cyclosilicates SiO3 taken N times 2 minus. Silicates. Silicates are the metal derivatives of silicic acid. Silicates are formed by heating metal oxide or metal carbonate with sand. Sodium carbonate with fused SiO2 gives sodium silicate. The basic structural unit in silicates is SiO4 4 minus. Silicate structures are neutralized by positively charged metal ions. Important man-made silicates are glass and cement. Zeolite. Aluminium atom replaces few silicon atoms, form SiO2. Aluminosilicates are zeolites. Artificial zeolites are called permitted. Zeolites are used for softening of water. Zeolites are widely used in petrochemicals. ZSM5 converts alcohols to gasoline. Extra points. Permitted technical name. Hydrated silicates of aluminium and sodium. Carbon monoxide is a neutral oxide. Dehydration of malonic acid gives suboxide. C60 dissolves in toluene, produces purple color. Graphite thermodynamically more stable than diamond.